And I just hide scratches because I'm short on time. I need somewhere to go. So you can simply get rid of this. I'm here to tell you, you could actually hide scratches using a glaze. So today I'm actually going to be using Black Light Glaze. Black Light Glaze is a hybrid glaze sealant that's going to hide imperfections in the surface of your paint. But what I'm also going to be showing you guys is a tape line. The tape line is going to show me a 50-50 how the paint's going to sit compared to how the paint's going to transform after I apply black light. So I'll put the tape off to the side. All you're gonna need is a microfiber applicator, black light, and a couple towels. So all of this can save you money because you don't have the money for a polisher and you want to save time and effort, use a glaze. Shake up the product beforehand. Now a glaze is going to hide imperfections such as scratches, fingerprints, minor scratches. Sit on the surface. You'll go to the surface you're working on. You'll blotch it out. Now, what's the difference between a glaze and a polish? A glaze, like I mentioned, is only going to hide scratches and swirls compared to a polish. It's actually going to have micro abrasives that's going to cut down the clear coat, and over time, it's going to remove all the scratches. In this occasion, this is just going to be a cover-up, just like makeup. Once simply rub it on side to side. And I'm doing this cross-hatching pattern so I can ensure I'm getting an even coverage sitting on the surface of the paint. It smells good, I'm not gonna lie.
That nose sounded so clogged.
Have you ever noticed that one nostril's always clogged?
Bro, what is that?
And if you feel like you need to apply more, feel free to apply more. You can never have too much glaze, just like your donuts. Remember when I ate all those donuts? Oh. Anytime anyone makes a purchase, I'm gonna be eating Krispy Kreme. And if you feel like you need to apply more, feel free to apply more, but keep this in mind. Anything that removes back onto the surface of your towel is all excess. So don't go too crazy on it. Keep the glaze, extra glaze on your donuts. But I'm just rubbing it one time, once again. And then I'm gonna do the cross-hatching pattern once more, just like to ensure I get the perfect finish on this car. Now, how long would black light last on the surface of the car? Because I know there's gonna be someone in the comment section asking me, or asking us, how long does it last? So this actually has a sealant in it that's going to last up to 6 months protection, and it's also going to hide any imperfection on the surface of the paint. Now, what imperfections will not get rid of? Obviously, if there's a scratch that you can feel with a fingernail, that's gonna come off. Minor scratches and swirls will get hidden, but for the most part, this is just going to cover up a little bit. It's going to give it that candy eye look that you want. So we're actually going to let this product sit on the surface of the car for 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the weather. If it's really hot, we could let it sit for 15 minutes. If it's not so hot, we could let it sit for 30 minutes. But let's let this haze up and we'll come back in 15 minutes. Well, that was 15 minutes. Now it's time to remove the glaze on the surface of the car. So we're walking back over to the surface of the car. It's been 15 minutes. We're gonna grab our microfiber towels and wipe off the residue. Now, after you let black light sit on the surface of your car, one quick test I'd like to do for you guys is come to the surface of the car, touch it with a finger, and if you start seeing that it comes off, it's ready to come off. So grab a clean microfiber towel and just buff off the residue. And look at this. No elbow grease needed whatsoever. It comes right off and it's hiding all the scratches and swirls that this Mazda has. So I'm just rubbing it side to side. It's giving it that candy eye look. And wow, this paint is popping. It's popping, it's reflective, and it's also protected using one single product, which is Black Light Glaze. Wow. Only if you guys could feel how soft it is. Rough, really, really soft. Okay, so we just finished buffing off black light away from the surface of the vehicle, and you guys can see that this side of this car has deep clarity to it. And this is just using glaze on the surface of the car. Now, there is going to be some deeper scratches and swirls that unfortunately can't be covered up because you need a polisher. But in this occasion, let me just remove the tape just so I can show you guys the results I achieved. And wow, you guys can actually see a night and day difference. This side looks a little bit more hazy. This side looks a little bit more clear. And this is just by using a glaze. Today, I'm using Black Light Glaze. Black Light Glaze works phenomenal on our dark color cars. The clarity is there, the shine is there, and I'm happy with this. Imagine if I'm short on time, you might have a date, I might have a date, my car's looking kind of beat up, this is going to help me out. So as always guys, if you guys want these results on your car, you can find this bottle at chemicalguys.com or drive down to your local detail garage. And we'll see you guys next time here at Chemical Guys. Subscribe. Subscribe.